What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making these really moist banana peanut butter muffins with a hint of chocolate chips in them. And guess what, these have no granulated sugar in them. You get most of the sweetness from the ripe bananas. So stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join my foodie family, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get baking. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then prep your muffin pan with liners. I have these specialty liners with a newspaper print, which gives these muffins a bakery-like quality and look, but you can use any muffin liner you already have at home. Once the pan is ready, you can set this aside for now. Onto the batter now. Let's start with the dry ingredients first. I have 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour in a large bowl here, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and if you don't have baking soda at home, you can add 3 teaspoons of baking powder instead, and a pinch or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine all the dry ingredients together with a fork or a whisk till it's mixed well. This will help the dry mixture to become airy and get rid of any lumps. You can set this aside for now. And for the wet ingredients, I will start with 3 bananas in a medium bowl, which will make 1 1/2 cups of mashed bananas. Make sure to use ripe bananas, or if your bananas aren't too ripe yet, wrap them in aluminum foil and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or so. Then take them out and cool them completely before using for this recipe. I have 1/3 cup of milk here. You can use any milk of your choice. 1/2 cup of maple syrup, or you can use honey instead. 1/2 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt if you have that. 2 tablespoons of melted or room temperature butter, 1 large egg at room temperature, always ensuring the wet ingredients are at room temperature, guys. And then with a hand or stand mixer, you want to mix all of the wet ingredients till they are well combined. If you mash the bananas roughly, then you'll see little chunks of it in the batter, which is completely okay. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Make sure to use a good quality one, and I am also adding 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, which I melted a little bit in the microwave, or you can use any nut butter of your choice. Combine this again to make sure the wet ingredients all get married together. Add in 1/3 of the dry ingredients here and mix it well, but never over mixing, just to ensure a moist cake texture later. Add in another 1/3 of the dry mixture and slowly incorporate that in. And then add in the last portion of the dry mix and combine it one last time on slow speed. The final batter consistency will be on the thicker side, as a muffin batter usually would look like. And to take these muffins to the next level, add in 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and with a spatula you want to fold those in till it is mixed well. And now our muffin batter is done, and you can set it aside. Using an ice cream or cookie scoop, you can scoop the muffin batter into the prepared and lined pan. I put in 2 generous scoops so that they bake into a good sized muffin to enjoy for breakfast, and then top it off with a few chocolate chips to give people the hint of the surprise inside the muffins as well. Bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As you see here, they have that light golden color on top after about 15 minutes or so. I think I baked these for about 18 minutes, and the toothpick comes out clean, which means they are done. Take them out of the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then take them out of the pan on a wire rack to cool them down further. These are great warm or out of the oven too, so it will be really hard to resist them. I want to show you the inside of one of these moist banana peanut butter chocolate chip muffin. It is a mouthful of a name, and even better when you try them. These are perfect as a breakfast or a quick afternoon snack with a glass of milk or a hot beverage. I usually pair it with cappuccino, and it's just a match made in heaven for a quick breakfast on the go. I hope you try these out and leave me a comment below to let me know what muffin flavor is your favorite. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my very simple recipe for these banana peanut butter muffins with a hint of chocolate chips. These are great for breakfast if you're a busy person like me and you just want to grab some coffee and these muffins, or as an afternoon snack with a little bit of coffee to pick you up. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.